Well, yesterday from this guy, said he had some scrap metal. I said, well, hell yeah, I'm coming pick it up. I'm gonna turn around.
One of my customers over on the beach gave it to me.
Dude, I've never even seen that. I've never even seen one like it.
He said, Ronnie, you want a good wash machine?
Look at that. Because sometimes my buddy will say something, I'll be like, hey, Dad, come on, edit. And they're like, oh, shoot, that's right, you're recording. Edit. Yes, sir, look at all the goodness. A nice microwave with a cord. Oh, yeah, I can make money with that. Plus, I'm going to get the magnet out of it. Hey, don't fall. One thing you want to have on you if you fall out of something is a daggum extension cord.
Guaranteed to catch on the cloud.
That will catch you. That extension cord will catch you. Oh, that's funny. You need that?
No, I was trying to figure out what the hell it was. A leaf blower EM?
Oh, yeah, it used to be a leaf blower.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, no.
I see the motor.
Weed eater, buddy. Weed eater.
Yeah, weed eater.
Them are, oh, yeah, them are, I have two of the old leaf blowers, and then that one down there is the weed eater. I know what you're saying now.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Hell, motherfucking ain't got no fucking shit, and then
A lawnmower don't work either, huh?
No, yeah, but there wasn't nothing wrong with it. I went out there and it had a little bit of started kind of missing a little bit. Cleaned the damn needle valve out of it and got it flipped over and I said, well, I'll finish it tomorrow, you know.
Yeah.
Goddamn that night, man, and then one started coming up and I looked out
Oh,
the back
my word.
I was sleeping.
You had power on and everything?
Yeah, looked out the window. I said, damn, the lawnmower's gonna get wet. So I went out there and drug it back up this way. Yeah. Drug it up on that hill over there on that side.
First time I ever seen one of these with the motor on the bottom. That means that
there was like 3 brackets on there.
That's insanity.
And thing, and
yeah.
I had to take them off from
That's insane, dude.
Trying to get as much of it as I could.
Yeah, oh yeah. Never seen nothing like that before. Every once in a while I'll drive by here and on this pallet he leaves me some stuff. It looks like he left me some more stuff. I'll take it. What you got here? What in the world is that? What? Might be some goodness in there. I don't know. It's got heater coils. What is that, guys? There's 2 of them, but I have no idea what they are. But it might be something very interesting to take apart. I don't know. Never seen one before. Let's throw this in the truck. We got one more stop after this. And not only does he give me this stuff, but he does give me some other stuff. And I actually give him some money for it. Hoya! So we kind of split the profit. So I'm looking forward to that happening again, which should be coming up fairly soon. Oh, look at there. Got me a little nugget. Got me a nugget. I've still got to go pick up another machine here, so got to make sure I leave room for this stuff. This is something new I can scrap. Never scrapped one. Maybe we do something new. That'd be cool. Something new. Oh, you guys, I hope everybody's having a good day. I slept so good. I even had a dream last night. And if you're dreaming, you're probably sleeping pretty good. And I dreamt. Oh, I dreamt last night. It was so good. So now that I'm looking, there's actually 2 places on Edgewood. One is right down there, and then one right here that calls me pretty regular to pick up stuff like this. So, oh, I need to get up with my guy that buys these things. I really do, because I'm just throwing money away. That's old Maytag. Look at there. Look at there, old Maytag. Yes, sir. That thing looks like a beauty. Oh, I gotta find my guy, buy these things. I'm telling you, gotta quit throwing these things or in the scrap or tearing them down. I know I can get my trailer just a little bit back, so I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. Oh, I don't want to throw these things away. I start making some phone calls Monday, and I'm gonna make Monday an advertising day after I run this scrap, whatever I get here. I'm gonna empty my trailer Monday morning, and then I'm gonna make the rest of the day nothing but working on getting some more clients. Because like I've told a couple of you guys, I have lost a couple of my little honey holes that I loved so much. You know, it's okay. It's okay, because you're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. That's just the way it is. And doing scrap metal, I mean, you know, is what it is. But anyway, I want to get this thing close over there. God, I'm hearing water. Oh, it's one of them air ride thing. Seems like I hear water. Let me see what I got here. Oh, it's heavy as heck. Hear it? Oh yeah, there's water in there. How do you get it out of there? I don't know if I can pick it up. I'm gonna try it. That way. I like it better when they drain them. But there's a place in Wilmington that buys components. Buys these things for the components, excuse me. And I sure would like to find that guy, because that's where the money's at. If you're scrapping these things out, just throwing them away, you are throwing away so much possibilities of profits. It's not even funny. I'm hoping I don't tear this thing up too bad getting it up in there. Throw a few things up in the front. I'll be right back. Picked this up yesterday or the day before, and I looked at it and I thought, I felt it, and I listened to it. You hear that? I'm thinking, aluminum? Nope. Listen. I'm telling you, that should be stainless, but there is also a stainless that is it is magnetic, but they won't pay you anything extra for it. So let's see if this is it. And it is stainless steel, 100% stainless. Look it up, magnetic stainless steel, and that's exactly what that is. There's a few people who have made videos on that actually online, and you can find them videos that will tell you exactly what I'm talking about. One of them is Tom over there at iScrap. I watched one of his videos and I was always wondering about it, and then I learned from Tom over there at iScrap what was the deal. All right, guys, all I can do is try, right? I do have an appliance machine at my house that I need to get an engine off of. It's a Mercedes-Benz engine. Oh, I left my lights on. And I need to get that appliance dolly off. Yeah, need to get it off my, get that engine off of it so I can use it. Driving by a gentleman's house, he said, "Do you want a bike?" Yeah, I'm right, I do. I'll take it. Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll throw that right in there, buddy. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Appreciate
sir.
you guys.
Yeah, absolutely. Have a good day.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, man, save my number. You might need to call me someday.
294-1761.
Yeah, man, save that. I'm the BSL scrap guy.
How are you? Okay.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Have a good day.